Hello Laura Bobby story fans, and today and on my like page, hello my Bobby stories, and today I have I finally got the boys I've been waiting for in the Fashionistas 2021. And right, today we're going to be looking at oh, excuse me, 174, and he's got a lovely kind of a square, little squares on his t-shirt with Malibu, and he's got some nice shorts. He's kind of a muscly Ken, that's his cartoon of him. Yes. And then 176, now he is, I would say, a little bit like Duncan of Total Drama, but apart from he's got pink in his hair, which is absolutely and he's got like a tank top, and it's like grey white with checkered red and black pants, and that's him as a cartoon of him. And he's 176. And then we've got him, stripy yellow, blue and red jumper, I would say that is, with light blue shorts. It's his cartoon, and he looks more like an Asian kind of Ken, this one is, and he's 175. Right, so let's get them out the box in the click of my fingers. 3, 2, 1. And they're out. Now, right, this is 174. Now he's got like a grey colour in his eyes, pale lips, bushy kind of eyebrows, and like a blonde quiff in his hair, and it's obviously moulded, not rooted, and he's like a kind of a built Ken in the fashionista, and he's got light blue, like kind of oh, what you call them, pencil shoes, something like that. Say what you would wear like if you are going somewhere nice, like to do with the summer. So yes, and he's tanned. He's a lovely Ken. Yep, and yep. So that's him. And then this one is 176. I really love his look. Not so keen on the trousers. He's got black kind of spiky shoes sort of thing. I'm not really keen on the plaid the trousers, but I do like his top. And he's a petite kind of Ken, dead thin Ken. He's also got bushy eyebrows, lovely brown eyes, pale lipstick. No, actually, you think you had lipstick on, like pale purple. And he's got brown and pink in his hair, and it's all sticky up, like a or what you call it, a mohawk kind of style. Oh, I'm pleased to have them, but they took ages to come, guys. Yes, that's him. And then on this one, he's got an Asian look to him, which I like in a Ken. He's also got brown eyes and black hair. Again, the hairs aren't rooted, just molded. I wouldn't mind some more fashionista Kens with, you know, like with the bring them back out with rooted hair. I mean, it would be nice. Yes, he's got a stripy top on. And then he's got the light blue shorts. I'm not so keen on them kind of shoes, guys, where they've got yeah, they're supposed to be socks with attached to his trainers. A lot of people I've heard cut the socks bit off and just leave the trainer, so I might do that, you know, because it looks ridiculous, guys. You gotta admit, look, even me, one of me people I subscribe to, she doesn't like the way the like, you know, and she also cut hers off. Yeah, it looks silly to me, but yes, I do really like them, but apart from that, so I might cut them off. I don't know, but yes, I'm pleased to have them. They finally came, and if you like these boys, don't forget to give them a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and hope you stay safe out there, and yeah, I'll see you guys later, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Say bye, boys. Bye. 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 Bye, guys.